Hello, this time I will show you how to insert a Boolean box to the Word document. So if you select no, the yes box will automatically unchecked. If you select yes, the no box will automatically unchecked. So to do that, there are two ways. I'll show you the first way to do that. So first, you need to enable the developer mode. Let's open a new document and go to File. Then go to Options, Customize Ribbon. Then you need to check the developer box. Click OK. You will see the new menu bar here. Check that, and you can select the legacy tools. So the first method is to use the option box. Add another one. So this one, if you check, you need to uncheck the design mode. Then if you check this one, if you check option 2, option 1 will automatically unchecked. But if you want to use a checkbox, if you want to use a checkbox, let's insert the first one. And then you move your mouse outside the box. Insert another one. Let's delete the first two. So the checkbox insert. When you check this, you need to unselect the design mode. Okay. So if you check box 1, you can also check box 2. So we want to, if we check box 2, the check box 1 is automatically unchecked. To do that, we need to write some Visual Basic code. First, we need to enable the design mode. Then right-click box 2, and you will have a View Code option. If you didn't enable the design mode, the View Code option won't appear. So we click View Code. That's me. Okay. Now we'll see the Visual Basic option here. So this one is for checkbox 2. We'll write if checkbox 2 is true, then checkbox 1 equal to 0. So that means if checkbox 2 checked, then we set checkbox 1 0. Uncheck it. Else check box 1 equal to 0. Then we end if. Let's try it. we disable design mode first. So that means if we check box 2, checkbox 1 will automatically unchecked. Okay, now we need to do the same thing for the checkbox 1 because right now the checkbox 1 don't have the mode enabled. So let's enable design mode and view code. Now we have a code for the checkbox 1. We just copy the code to checkbox 1, but we use checkbox 1 is checked. Checkbox 2 will uncheck that. If it is not checked, else checkbox 2 is 1. It will checked. Now let's try it. Disable design mode first. If we uncheck box 1, checkbox 2 will checked. If we check it, it will uncheck automatically. Okay, so this will do the Boolean checkbox for you. So if you want to know how to change the sample of the checkbox, because by default you are using X inside it as a checkbox checked. So if you want to use different sample, you can refer to my earliest video to do that. So hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.